Now we do Mahabandhan. Mahabandhan, it includes Moola Bandhan, Uddhyan Bandhan, Jalandhar Bandhan. Inhale, exhale, like we have done in anaerobic kriyas, like in Agnisar, Uddhyan, and pull the rectum inside, pull the anus inside, and pull the genitals inside, abdomen inside, and lock the chin to the chest. Inhale, exhale, pull the rectum, pull the abdomen, and lock the chin. Mahabandhan, Jara Marana Vyathi. It helps in avoiding the complications in the old age, diseases, and any kind of the problems. Inhale and come up. Relax, keep your palms upward. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. There is so much praise about Mahabandhan in Upanishads, in yoga texts. It's very good to solve all the complications of the excretory system, urinary system, reproductive system, digestive system. Second round. When you do this, so you will lose quickly the grip on your anal muscles. So keep trying to contract them. So second round, inhale. In inhalation up, you are inhaling and exhaling and moving the stomach in and rectum in. You are pulling the anus upward inside. Moola Bandhan, moving the rectum inside is called Moola Bandhan. Contracting the rectum is called Moola Bandhan. Moving the stomach inside is called Uddhyan. Locking the chin is called Jalandhar Bandhan. One helps in locking Apana, one helps in locking your Samana, one helps in locking Udhana. 3 air elements. Now third round, inhale. Pull the rectum inside, pull the stomach inside, lock the chin. Inhale and up. Minimum 3 times. Mahabandhan. Moola Bandhan, Uddhyan Bandhan, Jalandhar Bandhan together is called Mahabandhan. One doesn't suffer the old age complications. One can remain independent, not dependent even in the old age. Now we practice Anulom Vilom. Now we need to cool down the system. We need to bring down the metabolic rate. So we do aerobic Anulom Vilom. Keep your left hand in Vayu Mudra, palms upward. Your right hand in Nasagra Mudra or Nasikagra Mudra. Inhale comfortably from right. Exhale comfortably from left. No sound should come. Your mind is relaxed with every inhalation, with every exhalation. Alternate nostril, comfortable inhalation, comfortable exhalation. Inhale right, exhale left. Inhale left, exhale right. No sound should come. You are comfortably inhaling to the capacity of your lungs, comfortably exhaling. Your mind is totally relaxed and released with every inhalation and with every exhalation. Observe how is your inhalation from left nostril and right nostril, which one is cold? Is it the inhalation from the left nostril cold or inhalation from the right nostril cold? Similarly, observe exhalation, which one is hot? The exhalation from the right nostril, is it hot? Or from the left nostril, is it hot? Which one is more hot? Relax, relax. Keep your hands down, palms upward. Inhale, exhale. Now further, in order to bring down the metabolic rate, for activating parasympathetic nervous system, we do Chandrabhedi pranayam, moon pranayam. Moon pranayam controls the moods. It cools down the mind, it calms down the mind. Good for the heart patients. Inhale from left, exhale from right. Inhale only from left, exhale only from right. Comfortably inhale, comfortably exhale. Your exhalation always should remain longer than inhalation. Slowly filling in your lungs, inhale. Slowly emptying out your lungs, exhale. Relax, relax. One can even practice up to 5 minutes, 6 minutes if the purpose is only to bring down the metabolic rate for the heart patients. Otherwise, 10 to 15 rounds should be good enough. Inhale, exhale, relax. Now we do the last